QQQ DayTrader is a automated trading system to trade the ETF QQQ. It is in the TradeStation trading app store by Capstone Trading Systems. I want to share with you the latest trades and what to expect with an automated trading system. You see this long trade today hitting its profit target near the highs. Good trade today, nice long. There was a loss yesterday on the long side, FOMC day yesterday, and so last 2 days kind of a break even. Stop loss here and winner here end up being break even. And so some of the recent trades are down, and that is a benefit if you want to start a strategy, is starting in a drawdown. So you see a winner here and then a loser here, and I'm going to scroll back. I have to get rid of the pin to scroll back. So scrolling back, looking at previous trades, there's a winner here. There are a series of losers here. This gets out at the end of the day, and so you can hit a profit target, you can hit a stop loss, or it can exit at the end of the day. So a losing trade could be very small, a winning trade could be very small if it exits at the end of the day, or it could hit its stop loss or profit target, or exit at the end of the day somewhere in between those. So you see a series of trades, winners and losers, and you see a nice winning streak right here. Winner, 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 winner. You're going between long, long, and a short trade, and then a long trade. And let's look at the performance summary so you know what to expect. This is trading 50 shares, and this accelerates beginning almost 2 years ago, August 2019, and the market is at a higher price, and the point values are higher, the ranges are higher. So what I like about this setup is that you can start. I prefer to start in a drawdown. So if you're not trading a strategy, sometimes you're rooting for a losing streak, and sometimes when you're trading a strategy, you don't want it to ever go into a losing streak, but it does both. It goes through cycles, and these are times you can start is at a losing streak. I'd rather get in at a losing streak. You can certainly get this equity peak and get on a run like this, but if you started at this equity peak, for example, you would have to endure this drawdown first, which is, you can do that as well. But sometimes it's easier just to start in a drawdown, and so you see that here. If the strategy is doing this, it takes a long time to go into a drawdown. Sometimes you get strategies that go straight into a run-up, and then it's hard to ever get in as you're waiting for a drawdown for a long time. And so these are good opportunities to start trading it, with the potential impact of it moving higher. Just because at this drawdown point, it doesn't mean that it's going to reverse immediately. Today we see a winning trade, and so it's moved up a little bit. You can see it moving up a little bit, but it could still come down a little. It could wiggle. It could take a little bit longer to reverse, but that is the latest equity curve for this setup. Again, it's 50 shares of the QQQ for the results. So let's look at the performance summary. And the beauty of this is it's balanced, pretty well balanced between long and short trades. 6,800 on the long side, 5,600 on the short side, 541 shorts, 484 longs, and the average trade profit is 24 cents. If you go back all the way to this time period back here, this is kind of a break-even time period. If you start in 2019, your average trade profit is about twice as high. So in recent years, your average trade profit is around 50 cents, while longer term it's around 25 cents. So that is before slippage and commission. So like I said, the market is in a good place to trade this strategy at the current point values, and that is QQQ DayTrader. Here is the URL to get that in the TradeStation trading app store. You can do the free trial and learn how this works. You can download the PDF guide right here from this link at TradeStation.